Stop heating up your giant kitchen oven just to toast a bagel or bake a few frozen nuggets. It's a waste of time and power. I've spent the last month testing 5 of the most popular budget countertop ovens to see which ones actually cook evenly and which ones just burn your toast. I've got the winners right here. Product number 1. Toshiba AC25CEW-BS Convection Toaster Oven. When I pulled this Toshiba out of the box, the block stainless steel looked way more expensive than it actually is. It feels solid, and the 3 control knobs have a nice clicky feedback to them. My favorite part during testing was the LCD display. It's bright and high contrast, so I didn't have to squint to see how much time was left on my pizza. I tried the rotisserie feature with a 4-pound chicken, and it came out surprisingly juicy with crispy skin, something most small ovens fail at. The convection fan is powerful enough that I noticed my cookies baked much faster than in a standard toaster oven. If you have a family and want an all-in-one machine that can actually handle a rotisserie dinner or an 11-inch pizza without breaking the bank, this is the one to grab. Product number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill. This Cuisinart unit is a beast on the counter. It's got a classic, rugged stainless steel look that feels like it belongs in a professional kitchen. When I was testing the air fry mode, I noticed the Air Advantage fan really moved some air. My chicken wings came out incredibly crunchy without a drop of extra oil. What really sets this apart for me is the reversible grill and griddle plate. I used it to sear some burgers right inside the oven, and the results were legit. It's an 1800-watt powerhouse, so it preheats almost instantly. The 60-minute timer is a nice safety touch too. If you're a fan of fried food but want the versatility to grill and bake in one footprint, this is the most powerful do-it-all oven I've tested so far. Product number 3. Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Toaster Oven Combo. I've gotta say, this Hamilton Beach combo is the weirdest looking one of the bunch, but man is it practical. It has a traditional long slot toaster built right into the top. When I tested it, I noticed it toasted my sourdough about 40% faster than a regular oven would. The interior is a bit more compact, around 16 liters, but I still managed to fit a 9-inch pizza inside for a quick lunch. I really liked the stay-on setting for when I was baking multiple batches of appetizers for friends. It's definitely a space saver since it replaces 2 separate appliances. The heating elements are precise, and I didn't notice any annoying hot spots on my fries. If you're living in a dorm or a small apartment and need to save every inch of counter space, this is the perfect solution. Product number 4. Toshiba 8-in-1 Air Fryer Microwave Combo. When I first touched this Toshiba combo, it felt like a tank. It's a microwave first, but it has a stainless steel interior that lets it act as a convection oven and air fryer too. I was skeptical about the odor removal mode, but after cooking some fish, I ran it and it actually cleared the smell out. I noticed the position memory turntable is a lifesaver. It always stops exactly where you started, so your mug handle is right in front of you. I used the combi mode to roast a whole chicken, and it was much faster than a traditional oven because it uses microwave and convection heat at the same time. If you're a busy person who needs the speed of a microwave but still wants to bake and air fry occasionally, this is the ultimate kitchen multi-tool. Product number 5. Cuisinart Custom Classic Toaster Oven Broiler. The Custom Classic is for those who want a straightforward, high-quality toaster oven without all the extra bells and whistles. When I held the handle, I noticed it has a cool touch grip, which is a nice safety feature when the oven is cranked up to 450 degrees. My favorite part was the auto slide rack. When you open the door, the rack pops out slightly so you don't have to reach into the heat to grab your food. The always even shade control worked perfectly during my breakfast test. Every slice of toast came out exactly the same shade of golden brown. It's got a non-stick interior, so when some cheese dripped off my bagel, it wiped right off. If you just want a reliable, high-performance oven that makes perfect toast and bakes small meals consistently, this Cuisinart is a solid choice. Choosing the right oven really comes down to whether you need that air fryer or microwave combo, or if you just want perfect toast every morning. I've put the links for all 5 models in the description so you can check the current prices. Would you like me to do a deep dive on air fryer recipes next?